Hi and welcome. I hope you are ready to learn how to create a Flipgrid topic. So what is Flipgrid? It is where every student has a voice. Flipgrid allows you to create topics that your students can orally respond to in a video format. Today I will be showing you the basics of creating a grid and a topic. First, you will want to locate Google Chrome on your desktop. I find that this browser works best when using Flipgrid. In the search bar, type Flipgrid. Hit enter. You're going to click on the first link. The link should read flipgrid.com. Now we are on the Flipgrid homepage. If you do not have an account, you will need to set one up today by clicking Sign Up Today. Here is where you will enter your information. I recommend that you sign up using your Google or Microsoft School email. If you do not have a school email that is linked with Google or Microsoft, you will enter your school email below. All modes require you to enter your country, school name, age of your learners, and your subject area. Once you have checked that all information is correct, you will click Let's Go. I already have an account, so I will use the educator login. Here is your newly created Flipgrid page. As you see, I previously created a custom American Revolution grid. Your grid possibilities are endless, but for today we will focus on creating a basic classroom grid. Click New Grid. We will create a classroom grid. Click Next. Flipgrid will ask you to password protect your grid so that only you can unlock and access the grid. I recommend that you let Flipgrid generate a password for you. Copy this password for future reference. Click Build My Grid to continue. Your grid is ready, so go ahead and click All Set to create a topic. Just a little side note, Flipgrid gives you a head start by automatically adding a class intros topic. Now that you have made your grid, you will create your own topic so that your students can post video replies to. Click New Topic. Here, there are 7 sections that you will need to review before creating your topic. In Section 1, consider what you will title your topic. For my example, I will name the title Recess. I have the option of changing the response time and changing the display date if I want my topics to be in a specific order, but I will leave these features as is. Now this next section is the most important. I recommend that when you select the topic description or question, that it be something all of your students have knowledge about and that it promotes more than a yes or no response. I have typed out my question, and now for Section 2, you can decide if you want to preview your students' replies before they are posted. I will turn off this feature, and I will keep this feature of requiring an email off as well. Now for Section 3, I will keep the topic status as active so that my students can post their replies. I will keep the launch and freeze date the same so that the topic is always available. Section 4 is optional, but I like to include some sort of visual aid to help my learners. Now I know the learners in my classroom are low-level readers, so I'm going to include a video. I record my video by clicking the record button. I click the next button. I review my video. Should we have an extra 25 minutes to reset? I snap a quick selfie. I can add stickers or drawings, but I'm going to skip this step. Click Next, and my video is ready for my topic. Of course, you can choose to upload an image or add a fun GIF. You do not have to do a video like I did. For Section 5, I will keep the section blank, but if you wanted to add an external link, then this would be the place to add that link. In Section 6, you can control the features that your students interact with while on Flipgrid. I don't want my students spending a lot of time on their selfies, so I will limit the selfie decoration to stickers only. I want my students to be able to reply to each other, so I will keep the replies to responses feature on. For this topic, I will select none for the response reactions. Additionally, I will put none for the response link. I don't believe my students will need to post a link to the reply. And I will turn off video views and response title just to keep things simple, but you can always turn this feature on if you need to. For section 7, I will keep the basic feedback selection, as this topic will mainly serve as practice. Now that we have reviewed all sections, we are ready to create our topic. Click Create Topic. The topic is now ready for student replies. In order for your students to be able to access the topic, they need the grid code. Copy the code and display it for your students. Here is the final product. If you've missed anything or want to change something, you can always edit by clicking on the pencil. I hope you have enjoyed learning how to create a grid, and I hope you have been inspired to promote student voice in your classroom. Thank you.